Thanks, Megan. Right now we had a beautiful day outside and the winds have been picking up quite a bit as we've been speaking throughout the day. But looking at this hourly wind gust, we are going to see that these hourly winds are actually going to be decreasing throughout tonight, but they're going to be increasing when we get that winter severe weather on into Wednesday. But we also are going to be seeing that increase up to 32 miles per hour. But for right now, we're looking at for Mount Pleasant 58 degrees. Overall, Michigan, we're seeing in the high 50s, and we could be seeing the same temperature is going to be increasing throughout the next couple of days with that storm coming in our way. But for out the door tonight, make sure to just have that raincoat because you might be seeing a little bit of sprinkles as you're walking home. Olivia's going to have more on that storm coming up, but for now I'm going to be passing it back to Megan.
That's right, but I hear there's some storms coming up, right, Olivia?
Yeah, Megan, there is. And coming up after the break, I'll tell you when that will play out and just how much rain and wind we'll be seeing coming up after the break. Welcome back to New Central. I'm your weather specialist, Olivia Glass, and here our Sky Tracker radar is just picking up some cloud cover over the Mount Pleasant area, which has allowed for our sun to come through today, but the sun won't be sticking around for much longer, unfortunately. Down to the south of Mount Pleasant and in the south of Michigan, there is a band of rain that is moving through the area, which will be coming through tonight as our next storm system comes in, which could potentially be severe. Now here in the Mount Pleasant area, we are just on the border of non-severe and marginal risk for severe storms, and this is through tomorrow and Wednesday. And here at the top of your screen, we are at the greatest risk for being Wednesday at this point in time. And if this does turn out to be severe, the highest wind will be up to 60 miles an hour, with the two lower risks being localized flooding and large hail, with tornadoes being on the low end of the spectrum. And although that they are on the low end of the spectrum, doesn't necessarily mean it's out of the picture totally. But here I'll go ahead and walk you through our skycast to just see how exactly this system will be panning out. And here you can follow along with me at the top of your screen. So now this is tonight at Monday at 11 o'clock tonight is when we'll be seeing that rain begin to move in with our temperature at 46 degrees. And we should be drying out overnight into Tuesday morning is when all of that rain should be gone for now and throughout the rest of the day Tuesday. And this is now Wednesday at 12:30 is when we'll have that first round of potentially severe storms come through. Temperature still in the 40s, but as we get into Wednesday morning is when we could be seeing the more potential for severe weather that day. And here we can even see an increase in our temperature up to 57 as a warmth front with this system comes through. But here come Wednesday evening is when Mount Pleasant should be clear of severe storms, and check out this temperature up to 69 degrees on Wednesday. And like we said, the main threat with this severe storm are our winds. So now here tonight we will be calming down from 17 miles an hour with winds out of the east, and here those will be calming but increasing up to 36 come tomorrow evening. And here our winds begin to change direction from the south now at 8 miles an hour. And the greatest wind speeds we could be seeing is up to 43 miles an hour with this system. But here's some key takeaways for our spring storm. Our timing right now is Tuesday night into Wednesday. Severe storms are likely, so make sure you stay weather aware. Expect travel delays throughout these next couple days, and make sure that you go over safe areas to go in case of a tornado, and make sure you have more than one way to get weather alerts from the National Weather Service. Megan, back to you.
Thanks, Sam. Right now we're taking a last look at our radar. As you can see, we do have that storm right below us, so we are not seeing any of that rain right now, but for tonight we will. But we do see some more cloud coverage over Mount Pleasant area. For tonight though, we're going to see temperatures decrease from 59 degrees all the way down to 40 degrees, and we could be seeing that rain shower start at 9 p.m. where we might just be seeing just a little bit of drizzle, not too intense though. And those wind chills are going to be calm for our area. For those precip chances are most likely for those storms we are going to be seeing is Tuesday night and into Wednesday. We are going to be seeing that's the most likely for our area. And when we get into Thursday, we can be seeing not really anything for rain, and we could be seeing some sunshine for those next couple of days. But then as we get into Sunday, into Monday, we might be seeing a little bit of precip for our area. For the rainfall, we're going to be seeing 0.6 for Tuesday by 7 p.m. So right when you get off of work, that might be the amount of precip you're going to be seeing for that total of day. But as we get into Wednesday around 7 p.m., we could be seeing 1.6 inches for Mount Pleasant, 1.5 for Flint, but overall we're going to be seeing around 1.6 for Mount Pleasant area, and around Lansing area we could be seeing 1.3 from those total showers of storms we're going to be seeing the next couple of days. And for our extended day forecast, we are going to be seeing those rain showers going to be the next couple of days, but sunshine we're going to be seeing on to Thursday and into the weekend we could be seeing with that sun. And for on Wednesday, we could be seeing 70 degrees, so it's going to be a little bit warmer, but then also going to be seeing on Thursday for 45 degrees, so it's going to be a little bit of a temperature change for the next couple of days.